Hello, good morning. Welcome to Agro Inspiration. Today I'll be showing people my water leaf garden. People can see outside is very fresh. Many people know how to plant water leaf. Many people know how to work water leaf. But there are some certain challenges in water leaf that I want to be teaching you people. Like this illness. This illness like this, they call it dot dot. These are the challenges that you can mostly face in water leaf. So you that you are doing inside water and you want to treat your water leaf, how to know how to treat your water leaf. So that should be very well fresh and healthy. As people can see my own, people say aside is very clean, very good and healthy. I will teach you people today the secret on how to treat it. So the camera will approach and really show aside it is very fresh. As people can see, the water is doing very well and very healthy, very full. The thing is really doing well. So when you need to transfer your water leaf, water don't like too much sun. So you always make sure that you water your water leaf. That is the first step. You water your water very well, always water it very well. And make sure that there should be manure on it first too. It's natural manure. He don't like him other fertilizer. Water leaf don't take fertilizer. Water leaf don't take this pig stool. You don't take this other manure, but you take by this natural manure, this fowl stool. So when you fully put it, you after this is the treatment that you use to treat it. They call this monshang. This monshang, you go inside one sprayer. This one you put inside one sprayer. We mix with one insecticide, 60 milli of insecticides. When you put 60 milli of insecticides, you mix it together and spray your water leaf. Then I'll show you your water will be very well clean. You will wash your water leaf. And this also this monshang is a fungicide. Monshang is a fungicide. The other fungicide, there's pencozeb, there's plantinep, there's another one, there's ridomi. Ridomi is also good for if you want to put it inside water leaf so that you should wash your water very well. If the dot dot is too much harsh, because this is the most challenge that you can find inside a water leaf. People mostly ask how to treat their water leaf. So you put ridomi inside. You go to any agri shop, you buy a ridomi, one sachet ridomi. You buy a monshang, one sachet of monshang. You buy your lamidacol. The lamidacol is an insecticide. The other insecticide like moroshang, and there's other insecticide. But any insecticide that you buy, you make sure to take about 60 milli and put in a sprayer, and you mix it all together and come and spray your farm. And this monshang also work for huckleberry. You see, like you can have your huckleberry that is having this type of small leaf that's busting there. You spray it with your insecticide, it will leave. Or this type of illness that usually catch huckleberry, that whole the leaf of huckleberry, that the huckleberry will be twins. You spray it, will open and it will be very well fresh. As you can go in my videos, you will see as I'm working my own huckleberry and you learn more from there. So thank you.